Hari Om. Let's start with the prayer. Om Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Tvameva Mata Cha Pitattvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakhattvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravidam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Amadeva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Gurudeva Deva. Hari Om. We are doing the question and answers on Vedanta, and the question that came up is, what is real science? And we know what is science, we think, at least we think, and what is real science? So science is actually knowledge, and as we said, it's derived from the root seer, means to know. So science means knowledge. So now, what is real? Real is that which is not get negated. That's the definition. That means it never be dismissed. So if I say something today and tomorrow I change something, then obviously that's not real. So that which doesn't undergo any change is real. But if you look at the whole world continuously changing, yesterday is gone, today is come, and Dinayaminyo Sayam Prataha Sasira Vasanto Punarayataha Kala Kridati Gachat Vayu. So the seasons come, seasons go, years come, years go, all continuously changing. Sunrise, sunset, day on, so on and so forth. So the whole world is called Jagat because Jayate Gacchati is Jagat. That continuously changes. So if something changes, that's not really real. So real is that which is changeless entity. So if something is changing, there has to be some substratum or adhishtanam, the adhara, support, that doesn't change. That's called law of conservation. So A plus B is equal to C plus D, things are changing A to B to C to D, but there has to be something which is not changing in that equation, and that's what is conservation of laws of matter and energy that we are familiar. That's how you have to use the balancing equations and all that. Because amount of matter here is amount of matter there. So matter has to be conserved. So what is that which is the whole world is changing? There has to be something which is changeless entity that alone is real, and that is what is the Satyam. And the knowledge of that is the real knowledge and real science. And therefore, what is real science? It is the science of reality. And what is real? Trikala avaditam satyam. That which remains the same in all three periods of time alone is real, and only thing that can fulfill the definition, and Vedanta calls it as Brahman. Brahman means infiniteness, which is of the nature of Satchit Ananda, and that alone is real in this universe. And that's what is called Brahman, because Brahman being infinite, there cannot be anything other than Brahman, and if there is anything other than Brahman, it has to be including in the Brahman only, because that's the definition of Brahman, infinite, and infinite cannot undergo any change. And therefore, real science is the science of Brahma Vidya, that which teaches the nature of that reality, of that truth alone is the real science. Hence, what other sciences are? All objective sciences, people think that is real science. That is only objects. Objects themselves cannot be defined clearly, because we say, hey, this is a chair. That's an object. Is it really a chair? No, actually it's a wood in the form of a chair. So chair is gone and it's actually wood. Is it really wood? No, wood is only a name I give for a system of fibers that are assembled in that form naturally through a tree and so on and so forth. So it's not really wood is only name, but it's an assemblage of some fibers. And what is a fiber? Is it real? But that's only some molecular organic molecule chains. And is that real? Again, you go back to atoms to electrons, protons, and still trying to find out what is the fundamental particle there, which is, in fact, they come up with some kind of God particle, and they are still trying to find out what is the essence of chair. So we don't know what is real there. So that which is keep changing, only chair is relatively rate for transactions. Chair is different from a table, and we can use it for both vyavaharikam, for transactional reality, but not really real. Therefore, Shankara defines what is real. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha Anena Vedyam Tat Shastram Iti Vedantarindimaha. So he defines here that what is, these are three aspects involved to define what is real science. One is Brahma Satyam, Brahman alone, that alone is real. And Jagan Mithya. Then what about this whole universe that I am saying, that scientists think that is real? That is Mithya only, that is really false. It is only knowledge of the false only, all objective sciences. It's important at a relative level, just like knowledge of chair is different from knowledge of table. And Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha, and that is a science which teaches that individual I am is nothing but the Brahman. And that is what, therefore, yes, that is the one which teaches you, see, Anena Vedyam, that because of which I know these three things. Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya, Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha, Anena Vedyam, Tat Shastram. That is a Shastram. And all other things are not really Shastram. Shastram means science. So all other things are only a transactional science, valid only in a particular reference state. In this reference that is okay, but if you go to different reference, it has to be removed. Just like a classical mechanics versus quantum mechanics. In classical mechanics is valid in a particular reference state. If I go to very subatomic particles, I cannot use classical mechanics, I have to go to quantum mechanics. But quantum mechanics, you cannot use it in the area of classical mechanics. Each has a particular area of prescription and domain of application. Same way, this Vyavaharika Satyam is only a relatively real but not absolutely real. So what is a real science? The science of the reality is real science. And what is the reality? Brahma Satyam and Jagan Mithya. That's also the universe is only changing real, and Anena and Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha, and that science which teaches that Jiva is nothing but Brahman, that is Vedanta, that is the Anena Vedyam Tat Shastram, by which I can know this, that alone is the Shastram, that alone is the real, says Shankara. In fact, he gives a beautiful commentary in the Maitreyi Brahmana, introduction to it, where he defines what is really science. And all other scientists think that all other things are science, and this is only a belief system. In fact, what he thinks is that Anena Vedyam Tat Shastram, by which I know all that. And the Ekavijnanena and Sarvavijnanam Bhavati, knowing this, you know everything also. That is the nature of Vedanta also. And that is what is the real science. With that we stop. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Sishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo